lecture, you will learn about the installation of Bricks Builder on your local machine with SSL. So I'm going to use this local tool. There are many available options in the market that you can utilize, like Studio, Laragon, XAMPP, WAMP, LAMP, Vagrant, Docker, and so many other options available. But I found this one super easy, and it provides some pretty nice features out of the box: live links, one-click admin, automatic WordPress installation, local connect, magic sync, cloud backups. It works easily and out of the box, so you don't have to configure too many things. So I found this one very helpful. You just need to click on the download for free and click here and choose your platform where you want to install it. Like it's an operating system: Mac, Intel, Mac, Apple Silicon, Windows, Linux, RPM based, February, or whatever. So which platform you want to install on, just select it. For example, in my case, I'm using Mac Apple Silicon. Then you just need to type your first name, last name, and choose the organization, and then your work email, and then click on the get it now. After clicking on it, you will get the file, and for the installation purpose, just click on that file and you will be able to easily install that thing. So after installation, this is the first look of the local, where you have these several options, but the option that we mostly need is the create a new site. So now there are three options, like create a new site, create from blueprint, or select the existing zip file which you exported from your current WordPress website or anything. So create from blueprint is just like it's just like you have set up your predefined plugins, pre-installed plugins. You just need to select that blueprint. So we don't need this at the moment. We just need create a new site. Just click on here and then continue. After that, you will be asked to choose your site name. So I'm going to use Bricks 101. It will allocate your domain, the local site domain, which you can access in your browser, not globally. It is for the local machine, and it will give you the path where it is going. You can just browse where it is going and select or whatever. So just click on continue, and then here is the next part. Choose your environment. Now a preferred way, the recommended way is this one. Just click on here, but you can also customize your PHP versions, like for example this one, or whatever version you want, and web server, Nginx, Apache, or database which you want for your project. So I'm just choosing preferred and click on continue. Now here you can choose your WordPress username, user password, and the email. So for example, let's say you can type your username, and then here is another option. When you click on advanced options, is this a WordPress multi-site? No or yes? So this is not a WordPress multi-site that we are using. So you just need to fill up the details and then click on add site. Now our WordPress installation is ready to use. Just click on WP admin or open site. So I'm just clicking here, WP admin, and now here you can see that we have our WordPress ready to use. Now the next part is to install the Bricks Builder. So if I will try to install it as a plugin, then it will give me the error, because Bricks Builder is a theme, not a plugin. So I will just go here, appearance, and click on add new theme and upload theme, and then just choose file, go on install now. After installation, just activate it, and then here is the banner that you can see. You have to activate your license, but before that, you can see that Bricks is notifying us about something very serious. Bricks, please update your WordPress URL under settings general to use HTTPS instead of HTTP For optimal performance functionality, valid SSL is required. So in order to install the SSL, we just need to do it inside our local. Inside the local, you just need to create on trust. When I try to install it on my local machine on Mac, so it is giving me an error, but how I can resolve it? The issue is that it works almost fine on the Windows machine, but sometimes it gives errors on the Mac machine. So in order to fix this, you just need to go to keychain application. So to access the keychain application, you can type command and spacebar and then go to keychain, and then from here you just need to select system and then bricks 101. You can see that this root certificate is not trusted. I just need to click here. I'm clicking it here, and then click I just need to just expand the trust, and by instead of use system default, just use always trust. Now our SSL should be activated. When you go inside your local and then try again, it will not resolve the issue. But why is that? Because we need to restart our local application. I have just restarted my local application. Now you can see that it is trusted. Now I can operate it again. Start, click on start, and then just go to the WP admin. Now we need to activate it. So from where we can activate it, we just need to go to the settings in general, and inside general we need to put https breaks 101 local and click save. After clicking the save, just re-log in, and then you are good to go. The notification has disappeared and your SSL has been installed successfully.